How to fix not receiving MMS messages in phone 4A. First of all, clear app cache and data. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down. Click on apps now. Here you will see app search. Messages app. Now click on messages app. Scroll down. Click on storage. Add cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages will be clear cache from your phone. And if you want to clear storage or data, then click on clear storage or data and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix not receiving MMS messages in phone 4A. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.